Welcome back to AI World, the channel where we unravel the mysteries of artificial intelligence and explore its endless possibilities. Today, we are thrilled to present an astonishing breakthrough that will redefine the future of artificial intelligence and robotics. OpenAI, the pioneer in AI research, has unleashed its latest marvel, GPT-5 with a physical body. Get ready to witness history in the making as this incredible creation shocks the entire industry with its extraordinary capabilities. Buckle up for an exhilarating journey into the realm of cutting-edge technology. Before moving forward, if you are new on our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos. GPT-5, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, has been a name that resonates throughout the world of AI. Renowned for its exceptional language processing skills, GPT-5 has consistently astounded us with its ability to comprehend and generate human-like text. But that was just the beginning. OpenAI has pushed the boundaries even further by granting GPT-5 a physical form, elevating it to an entirely new level of AI excellence. The unveiling of GPT-5 with body. The much-awaited moment has arrived. Witness the grand unveiling of GPT-5 with its physical body, a groundbreaking feat that marks a giant leap forward in the evolution of artificial intelligence. The excitement is palpable as the curtains lift and GPT-5 steps into the limelight. With its sleek design, fluid movements, and an air of intelligence, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity. The fusion of mind and body. The amalgamation of GPT-5's remarkable cognitive abilities with a physical body is a game-changer. It is no longer restricted to the virtual world, but interacts with the physical realm, giving rise to a myriad of new possibilities. Watch in awe as GPT-5 effortlessly navigates its environment, interacts with objects, and communicates with humans, showcasing an unmatched level of versatility. Revolutionizing industries. The integration of GPT-5 with a physical body marks a seismic shift in the landscape of various industries. Its transformative potential is set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Let's take a closer look at how GPT-5 is poised to make an indelible impact across diverse sectors. 1. Healthcare industry. In the field of healthcare, GPT-5's arrival is a game-changer. Equipped with its vast knowledge base and unparalleled language processing capabilities, it can swiftly analyze vast amounts of medical data, research papers, and patient records, offering invaluable insights to medical professionals. Its ability to understand and process natural language allows for seamless interactions with patients, providing them with personalized care and answering their health-related queries. 2. Manufacturing industry. GPT-5's presence in the manufacturing sector is nothing short of revolutionary. Its learning capabilities make it an ideal candidate for optimizing production processes. By analyzing data and identifying patterns, GPT-5 can streamline operations, minimize downtime, and enhance overall efficiency on the factory floor. Human workers can collaborate with GPT-5 as a valuable partner, harnessing its intelligence to innovate and improve production lines. 3. Finance industry. In the financial world, GPT-5's integration presents exciting opportunities. Its ability to process vast amounts of financial data in real time allows for accurate market analysis and predictions. Financial institutions can leverage GPT-5's insights to make informed investment decisions, manage risk more effectively, and provide personalized financial advice to their clients. 4. Education industry. The educational landscape is set to transform with GPT-5's entry. As a learning machine, it has the ability to adapt its teaching methodologies to cater to individual students' needs. GPT-5 can create personalized lesson plans, explain complex concepts in simple terms, and provide valuable feedback, empowering students to excel in their studies. A learning machine. GPT-5 is not just a robot, it is a learning machine. Witness its ability to evolve and grow with each interaction, just like the human brain. Every experience enhances its understanding and proficiency, making it an invaluable asset in research and development endeavors. The journey of learning has just begun, and the potential is limitless. Ethical considerations. As with any groundbreaking technology, ethical concerns arise. OpenAI recognizes the significance of responsible AI development and has meticulously incorporated safety measures. Learn how GPT-5 is designed to prioritize human values, ensuring that its actions are always aligned with the greater good. Embracing collaboration. Far from replacing humans, GPT-5 is here to collaborate and empower us. Witness experts from various fields discussing the profound impact of human-machine collaboration. GPT-5's capabilities complement human ingenuity, unlocking new avenues of innovation and discovery. Journey to accessibility. OpenAI believes in making advanced technology accessible to all. Experience the user-friendly interface of GPT-5, designed to be intuitive and inclusive. From seasoned professionals to novices, GPT-5 welcomes all to embark on a journey of discovery. That's it for today's episode on AI World. I hope you enjoyed this adventure into the realm of artificial intelligence. If you want to stay ahead in the world of AI, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below.